This tutorial will talk about jumping Unity using physics. We will use the spacebar key on keyboard to make the player jump. We will add a rigid body component and apply upward force to it when spacebar is pressed. We will discuss the script now. First, we declare all the variables in the script. We set the jump force to 10. Declare GameObject ground. Rigid body as RB. A float variable as offset. The start function is where the script executes automatically once. So, here we get the rigid body component and the initial offset between character and ground on y-axis. Fixed update is called before each internal physics update, so first we check if player is already in air or not using if condition. Here we check if difference between player's y location and ground's y location is less than the offset value. If so, that means player is on the ground and not in midair. We can go ahead checking if jump button is pressed or not. If so, we apply a force to the rigid body in y direction by multiplying the jump force with the unit up vector. The up vector has y direction value of 1 with x and z direction being 0. Attach the script to your character. Let's play it and test it out. Subscribe, like, comment and share my channel for more fun videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.